Taiwan's postponed university entrance exams kicked off on Friday with strict public health regulations in place. Students were required to wear masks throughout the exam. They also had to pass temperature checks and disinfect their hands before entering the test venue. To ensure airflow in each classroom, the air conditioning was kept on while the windows remained open. This year, only about 44,000 students registered to sit the exams. That's 5,000 fewer than last year.
Before entering the test site, all examinees had to strap on a face mask, go through a temperature check, and disinfect their hands. It was day one of Taiwan's university entrance exams. Today's subjects were physics, chemistry, and biology. As a public health precaution, only registered test takers were allowed in, and they had to show ID to enter. One flustered student forgot to bring his and had to apply for another at the venue. But most kids were cool and collected as they filled in at the sound of the bell. Under the influence of the pandemic, the exams were postponed for the first time in their 19-year history. Students were asked to wear face masks during the exam. Parents were banned from accompanying their children into the venue. At the school, the entrance was cordoned off when the exam began. The 3-day exams coincide with a spell of hot weather that's descended island-wide. Examinees say they came prepared.
Of course I don't wear a mask at home, but if I go to a library or other public spaces, of course I put one on. If the air conditioning is kept on, then it's no problem. Wearing a mask is fine. I have an electric fan ready for my child after the exam, and some water, just plain old water and some cooling Tiger Balm.
To reduce the infection risk, the College Entrance Examination Center cut the number of students allowed in each room, lowering it from 42 to 36. It's also ordered that air conditioning be kept on. In contrast with the high school entrance exams, it's required that doors be shut and windows open by 15 centimeters. For once, students won't be complaining that their exam rooms were too hot.
It was super cold. Of course, I wasn't worried about feeling hot. It was as cold as a department store. There was a classmate in front of me that was straight up shivering. Ventilation was quite good with the aircon on.
Amid the pandemic, the rules were stricter than ever. Scorching weather is expected over the next 2 days, and there's a chance of afternoon thunderstorms. Along with doing some last-minute cramming, students should prepare for strong sun and heavy rain.